Hi guys, this is Muskan Sharma and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Alan Truman's brand new Argan Gold Curler, which is 32 mm, and I'm going to be sharing some tips and techniques using which it is going to be very easy for you all to create those beautiful voluminous curls. So let's get started. Okay, so always section and start from the bottom. That's how you're going to make sure that the back of the head looks good as well and you don't leave anything at the back. So we are going to now grab a little bit of section and make sure that the clamp is under and the rod is above and your hair goes from the middle. Once you have the grip right here, you are just going to twist it away from the face like that, and once it gets a little bit tight, you're just going to open up the clamp and just keep on rolling it again, and you roll the rest like that and just release, and there you have a beautiful bouncy curl that is going to look amazing once you open it up. So moving on to the other side, I'm going to be holding this clamp the other way. The clamp will be in the front and this goes at the back. We are twisting it again away from the face. So you need to always remember that while you are twisting it, that's when you open up the clamp so that it twists easily and it doesn't get tight. And once you're done, you just leave the clamp as it is and your hands are totally free and it just does a job. So you can also mix and match. What I like to do is I like to just curl the hair all away from the face and it gives a very glamorous, beautiful effect. But if you want something which is, mix and match, something messy, something beachy, you can curl few strands inwards and some outwards and it gives a beautiful effect at the end. This is the end result, and I just waited for the curls to cool down a bit and then I just opened them up with my fingers itself to give them more volume, and this is a very important step if you want those beautiful voluminous hair. But if you are into those defined curls, you can just leave your curls as it is. It's just about preferences. Also, one of the things that I really like about this hair curler is the fact that it is infused with argan oil, and that's something that prevents your hair from getting frizzy and those flyaways and everything, and it just gives your hair so much more shine, and that's exactly what I'm noticing right now. My hair looks so healthy. There's no need to add any setting spray to them. It just looks set and neat in place. You know what I mean? That's it for today, and I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more goodies coming your way. Also, let me know in the comments below what else you would like to know more about hairstyling, straightening and curling. Bye!